Little Red Riding Sheep, a twist to your average fairy tale. Once upon a time, there was a little girl in a red hood. Who are you? I'm Arnold. Arnold, you're not a little girl. Well, technically, no. But when I scratch down, I get little. See? I fit on the page. No, I mean, you're not a girl. You're a sheep. But the main character in this book isn't a sheep. That's what all authors say. We sheep are usually just in the background, grazing and minding our own business. Boring. Sorry, you're just not what I'm writing. Aw, please. I'll be good. I love books. I just want to be drawn into the story. Get it? Drawn in? Oh, all right then. Thank you. You won't be sorry. You'll have to read on to see what Arnold does to add a twist to this fairy tale.